Hi, I'm 41 and I create content on YouTube. My channel is all about me, my thoughts, my views, whatever it is that interests me. It's a life done. That's fine. Or you can call it a life library. Today, I really just want to share, following my last video, about how you can succeed on this platform called YouTube. If you're 40 and over, this video is for you. And if you're thinking of joining YouTube or starting a YouTube channel, then yes, this video is for you. I know that starting can be daunting, it can be challenging. I am there, I'm still there, I'm growing through it. But the world is moving fast and we need to keep up. Yes, we do need to keep up about it. But I think the one thing that happens to be a secret that a lot of people isn't talking about when it comes to the success on YouTube is that it's not about being the fastest. It's about being the most persistent. It's about playing the game, the long-term game. So if you think about it like gardening, when you plant a seed, you don't necessarily expect that a flower would grow the next day, right? You water it, you nurture it, you talk to it even. You give it sunlight and you'll find out that over time it starts to grow. YouTube is the same. They say, when was the best time to plant a tree? Was 10 years ago. The next best time is now. So now is the time for you over 40s to come and start your YouTube channel. YouTube is the same as planting. You plant your ideas, you nurture your content, and if you apply a bit of patience and care, you will watch your channel grow. I've seen people on this platform, channels on this platform, where the content doesn't make sense to me, but they've got followers, and followers are attention. Attention means money. Now, one of the reasons why YouTube is a long-term game is because of content longevity. Sorry. So, unlike other social media posts where the degree in which the audience views it or views your content disappears is so low. The degree is so low as to when they view it, it's gone within a day or two. I haven't got this scripted down because I'm trying to encourage you as well. So I'm talking from the top of my head. Now, YouTube videos can continue to attract views from years and years and years to come. So if you think about it this way, the other day, I went on YouTube and I watched what my local area looked like 50 years ago. Now, your YouTube today could still be helping people, entertaining people 5 years from now. If you think about it, it's like writing a book. Once it is out there, it's out there forever. It's ready to be discovered by new readers. It's the reason why we keep visiting channels that provide us value, even after the owners of the channels or the creators have long gone. If you take for example, a simple recipe video, a cooking video, you might post it today and you'll get a few views. Don't delete it. Do you know that as people search for that recipe years to come, time to come, they find your video? Slowly, it gains more views, it gains more likes, it gains more comments. It can gain you subscribers too. And before you know it, that simple video, what you call a simple recipe video, has helped thousands of people make delicious meals in their homes. Now, the other reason why you should think of YouTube as a long-term game is that it's about building a brand. If you think about your favorite brands, it could be fashion, it could be home decor, whatever it is, they didn't become whole household names overnight. They built trust, they built loyalty over time. Your YouTube channel works exactly the same way. Every video is like the brick in the foundation of your house, foundation of what eventually becomes your brand. Now, it could be that you're passionate about cooking, it could be gardening, it could be tech for you, it could be storytelling. Some of us are so good at storytelling. Whatever it is that your passion is your brand. Share it with the world consistently. I know that word has been used over and over and over again, but it does mean consistently being persistent. over time, people will start to recognize and trust your content. Now, you have to remember that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube channel, whatever success is to you. The third reason why YouTube is a long term game is that the audience growth. Building an audience takes time, especially loyal ones. You might start with just a few viewers and then they become subscribers. As you keep posting, they are engaging and you're improving your content. Those viewers you think are subscribers, they become a community, a formidable community that you can take anywhere with you. They grow with you into retirement. Now, think of your community like making friends. You don't become best friends with someone the day you meet them, right? You spend time with them, you share experiences with them, you build trust, you get to know them. Your YouTube audience is not different. You engage with your viewers, you respond to their comments, you like their comments, you make them feel at home, they feel valued. As time goes on, this community becomes your greatest asset. They buy your goods, they check on you, they ask how you're feeling, how you're doing, lots of things. So why should you, especially if you're over 40, consider YouTube as a long-term game? Because your life experience, your wisdom, your unique perspective, the way you see life, they're your strengths. So the journey will definitely start slow, I have to be honest with you, but every step is progress. It's just like that famous saying, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one steps, right? Baby steps. One step at a time. You don't have to see the entire staircase. You just need to keep going. You just need to keep going. So don't be discouraged by the slow start. Everybody has an humble beginning. Every big YouTuber started with zero. Nobody woke up and just got 100,000 subscribers. No, it's your passion, it's your persistence, it's your patience that will get you there. And you have to remember, age is just a number, which is why I always I'm starting my videos with my age. I'm 41 and I create content for YouTube. So what matters is your dedication and your willingness to learn and grow. So I hope that you will make a move and start your own YouTube channel today. I have more content coming up to help and support you along the way. Let's grow a community on this platform. It's about time.